So we're down at the breakfast bar, and there's bread, toast, scones, I guess, some danishes, some cinnamon rolls, some sweetbreads, fruit, cottage cheese, eggs, coffee, oatmeal, cereal. There's a little bit of everything. Ooh, orange juice? Yes, ma'am. I just got it looks like a cranberry something scone, some bagel, cream cheese, and a hard-boiled egg, some fruit. You got a cinnamon roll, banana bread looking. Excuse me, I have the hiccups right now. Hi, man. Hey, Roski. Quick outfit of the day. It's just a dress I got. I think I got this at Forever 21. It's just like a baby doll dress. And then my thrift store shoes that I love, that I got for $6. And let's see. I have just some, what color is this lipstick? I don't know. I think it's from Revlon. Raspberry Bite. Yeah, it's like a raspberry. I almost said flavor. Raspberry color, which I really like. I just have my hair twisted on the sides and then in a ponytail on the back. There he is. Anthony! Woo! We're upstairs in the back.
We're upstairs on the top, middle.
Anthony Robert Ragos.
Bravo!
Rachel Nicole Frank.
All right!
What's going on?
Bravo! Yay!
Hey, this coming. Clogging up the lane.
I know, I think we're in the way. Yeah.
Gotta love those bubbles, man.
We're gonna see what they have today. Oh, we're going to a buffet after this.
I know you guys.
Yes! Food! It's very beautiful here and green. Just greenery everywhere. And those mountains in the background. Check those out. We're trying to get back to our house. Well, our hotel. It's like a big mansion. But graduation went good. He's done. Now it's time to eat. This house is ginormous, one of the mansions around here. It's bread, salads, potato salad. This is buffet, babe. Corn, beans, ooh, ravioli pasta stuff, chicken, roast beef it looks like, and a bunch of dessert. This pesto stuff is good. Beans, potato, salad. He has corn.
Yeah, it's Richmond. It's local, but I mean,
My shutter didn't open.
I told her I could write on horticulture.
What kind is that?
Mothering.
Vanilla or something?
Yeah, I'm guessing. I would have got the chocolate, but
Taste
I had
test.
so much chocolate.
With our totally
We just got back in the room and that
incredibly
TV's loud as
successful
crap,
approach,
babe.
chances are the
We're taking a rest because no one can live. We stayed up so late last night. So we're all taking a break. We're gonna take a nap, and I was gonna edit, but now I can't think. I'm so tired. I'm full and disgusted. And my belt is so freaking tight. I can't even.
You look good though, baby.
One of my nephews pulled the fire alarm. So everyone's evacuating. There's like 4 levels of people in this hotel apparently, so We're not leaving because we know that my nephew pulled it, but... So what are they doing?
I guess we're gonna leave now.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna get some clothes on. I gotta change.
Why? Ain't surprising.
Our door just got knocked on to leave. So, along with everyone else, we're gonna be in the other house. Going up to the main house. This is a serious claw foot bathtub with the. That's pretty cool. All these windmills or windmills up on the top of this hill, just lining it. That's a lot of windmills, and it just keeps going all the way down. We're heading into Elkin Cinema 8 to see the Star Trek Into Darkness. Oh, here it is. That's what we're gonna see. Yeah, that movie was really good. Recommend seeing it. I know, it's nice. It looks like it's gonna rain or something though. We're at CJ Maggie's in Elkins. Elkins. We're about to test this place out. I know. This place is pretty neat. It's like, reminds me of Pirates of the Caribbean cruise or something. You know?
Everything reminds you of that.
Disneyland.
In Disneyland and California.
Yeah. Oh, Violin. This is a pretty neat little setup in here. It smells good too. Baby back ribs, macaroni, and then I had some chili on the side.
I got fries, a steak, a West Virginia steak and cheese.
West Virginia steak and cheese.
Pickle.
Come over here and get this fajita. It's still
Oh yeah.
Sizzling fajita over there.
Yeah. It's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh. Yeah, we're about to eat and we have way too much food.